I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by combining essentials with immediate action. Confirm idle 600 to 900 RPM so the engine won't die. Place your right foot on the brake and your left foot hovering over the clutch. Once you see the stopping point, press the brake progressively while simultaneously easing the throttle off. This balances engine load. If traffic is coming, shift to neutral quickly. Make sure to coordinate feet so the clutch is ready to engage before the engine lugging begins. Continue the process by managing deceleration and clutch timing precisely. As speed falls, apply steady brake pressure. Don't pump unless ABS activates. Watch RPM. When it approaches a low range where the engine feels strained, depress the clutch fully to prevent stalling. If you need to match revs for a smooth stop, give a small throttle blip to keep RPMs in a safe band. Once stopped, shift to neutral if you expect a longer pause. This removes load on the engine and reduces stall risk. Finish by completing the stop and preparing to move again without stalling. If it's a brief stop, keep the car in first with the clutch pressed and ready. When it's time to go, release the clutch slowly while adding gentle throttle. For longer waits, shift to neutral and hold the brake. If you do stall, restart promptly, check idle speed, and practice clutch release timing in a safe area. Make sure to diagnose persistent stalling, idle adjustment, or clutch wear may need repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.